Sabaydi Pinong. Hello everybody. Today I gonna make some Vietnamese steamer rice cake, and I gonna show you quickly, okay? And the first thing, start with the water. This is warm water, okay? I gonna add 2 cups. Like that, okay? And after that, and 1 pack of active yeast, 1 pack of yeast, okay, and 1 bag of rice flour, okay, one bag. Mix. Look like a milk, or look like a yogurt, or look like smoothie. Okay, and after that I'm gonna cover with the foil. I don't have a wrapper today, and I'm gonna cover with foil. Okay, cover like this. About 1 hour. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. Okay, 1 cup of water. 1 can of coconut milk. Okay, 1 cup of sugar. Mix. Turn on low heat, okay, until the sugar and dissolve. A little bit salt, half teaspoon of salt, okay, because I want a little bit more flavor. It's done. I'm gonna turn off the heat about and make it cool down, maybe 10 or 25 minutes. I'm gonna open this, take out this, and you will see the bubble come up. After that, this third step, I'm gonna add this together. And mix again 1 more time with the rest. Look like milk. See? Then after you mix together already, and I'm gonna cover this again 1 more time like this, about 1 hour again, and come back with me a little bit, okay? You see it when you open, you see a lot of bubble. It's okay. And now I'm gonna steam. I have this tray. I'm gonna steam on this one, okay? Put the tray in the steamer. It's kind of a little bit big, but it's okay. Add to the pot like this. Steam about 40 to 45 minutes. I'm gonna cover with the lid. Steamer rice cake. Wow, look at it. Looks yummy. Try to check. I gotta use my soft stick, okay? If see it, the soft stick don't stick, that means steamer rice cake is done. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the heat now and make it cool down. And about 10 15 minutes, and come back with me a little bit, okay? Alright guys, the steamer rice cake is done and it's cooled down. Then I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna take it out from the tray, okay? And how it goes. See, doesn't stick with the pan. You know, I really like it. It's really good. If whoever tried the steamer rice cake from Vietnamese, and if you go to Chinatown or something like that, they have this at the store. It's really easy and quickly. And see it? I'm gonna flip. Really easy, nice, and after that I'm gonna break half. You see like this? Look like honeycomb. Look at that. You guys, if you like to try some at home, please do. Really easy and quickly. And see? That's all for Vietnamese steamer rice cake. If you like to try some at home with it, please do. Really easy and quickly and simple. Like my video, please subscribe and thumb up for me. See you next video, guys. Bye bye. Good night. Okay. Have a good Thanksgiving, guys.